Today we're going to be going over the complex world of making Discord server animated icons. So we're going to be going over two kinds of animated icons. The first one's the Giphy kind, the kind that everyone tells you to do if you just want to get an animated icon pretty easily. You can have a rainbow effect or a glitchy effect. The second one's the one we're going to be making yourself. So this one is going to have a moving background. The logo is going to be moving up and down. It just looks more professional and way cleaner. So to make your logo look like this, you're going to need three things. First thing you're going to need is an editing program. So DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Vegas Pro, any editing program that you have will work with this. Number two, you're going to need a PNG of your logo. So a PNG makes a background transparent. A JPEG just makes the background like black or white. So you're going to need a PNG of your logo so you can put a background behind your logo. And the third thing, you're going to need an animated background. So maybe if you have wallpaper engine, you could just screen record to get it, or any animated wallpaper. Before we do get into the video, guys, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It really does support the channel. It's free and you get to see when we make new videos. And if you stop liking the content, you can just consider unsubscribing. You don't have to pay any chargeback fees, and it really just does support the channel. Let's get right into the video. Alright boys, we're at the first easy method right now to make your animated server icon. This site's called Giphy. Giphy is an easy GIF making website which a lot of people use to make easy looking Discord server animated icons. So you also might know the site as a site Discord uses to get the GIFs on Discord. So if you ever click that square and you ever want to send a GIF, this is what Discord uses. So first what you want to do, you're going to click GIF, the first one, and then upload your image. It has to be a PNG image. Then you're going to add a little caption. You can add anything, you just have to add a caption for it to be able to send and be uploaded to the site. Then you're going to go to filters. Three most common filters are rainbow, glitch, and bad TV. The reason is they just look the cleanest, and that's usually it. The other ones are kind of just little effects like this, lightning, dreamy, and VHS. You shouldn't do this just because it looks super basic, and a lot of people do this. If you put another 5 minutes into the advanced technique, it looks 1,000 times better, and it just makes you look professional. After you upload it, it takes usually 1 to 2 minutes or to upload. So what you can do during this time is go download an editing software and get ready for the advanced technique. If you want to download this one, all you do is just right click on it and save image as. Let's get into the advanced technique now. Alright boys, let's get started with the advanced technique for making an advanced looking Discord server animated icon. So you're gonna need two things for this. You're gonna need number one, an editing software. So I'm using Premiere Pro right now. You could use anything you want, DaVinci Resolve, Vegas Pro, any mobile editing software. Again, just make sure it works. Number two, an animated wallpaper. You can get these off Wallpaper Engine, which does cost money. Again, you could just get these off anywhere that has animated wallpapers. After you have both of those things, you're gonna start doing this. You're gonna put the logo into your editing software first, so it sets it as the dimensions. If it doesn't, the dimensions we're using are 512 by 512. After you do that, make sure before you put anything else on, your image is a PNG. If it's not a PNG and it's a JPEG, none of this will work. After this, you're gonna put your animated wallpaper below it, so it's kind of like a background for your icon. After this, you're just going to razor it off, so then you can just have the image itself, and I'm having it set to be exactly 5 seconds long. After this, you're just gonna scale up the background, and I like it a little higher and a bit more to the side, just so you get more of the stars of this. So how it looks right now, it looks like this. It looks even doper than the other ones, but we're going to be adding a lot more effects to it. All right, so now the first effect we're going to be adding to this icon is keyframing. So what keyframing is, it's like you can set something to go up or down at a specific time, left to right, diagonal, whatever. So we have two images now. We're gonna have it set where it comes in, it goes up, and it looks like it's coming in like a circle. It's gonna go up and then come out, then come in from the bottom. It's gonna look really cool. So first what you wanna do, you're gonna have two images of your logo. You're gonna have one at the top, one at the bottom. You're gonna set one of your images so the positioning is at the bottom where you can't see it at all. And the second one, you're gonna keep where it is. You're going to be keyframing both of them. So first you're gonna set a keyframe for the specific place it's at. So we're gonna add keyframes with this little clock on Premiere. Next, what you wanna do, you're going to set it. So I want mine to animate up right here. So it's gonna go up like this. Then after it goes up, I'm gonna go to my next one, add a keyframe, and then it's gonna animate up right here. So it animates up to the normal position. So it's gonna be at 1,000. At 1,000. I don't know why I put 100. 1,000. So now this is how it's gonna look. This is gonna look really dope. So it could go up kind of slowly, and then it's gonna come in. Like it's like a little circle effect. If you wanna make it faster, I know a lot of people who like making it faster. You're gonna put this one closer, and then the same thing. You're gonna put this one closer. You're gonna put this one where that one ended, and then this one a bit closer. Now it's gonna go even faster. It's gonna look like this. Goes up, and then it comes in. It looked like a kind of like a circle effect. All right, boys. So let's show you guys how the final product of our animated logo looks like. So this is the advanced technique. So personally, I like this a lot more. It has a lot more gain to it. And you can also combine both of them, both the basic and the advanced. You can take a GIF off Giphy and just Ultra key off the background to just keep your logo. And then you just do the same steps to this, and it might look even better. I haven't tried it personally, but I bet it would work. But I personally like it like this. It looks super basic, super clean, and it just looks really nice. It's not too basic, but it's not overly basic for anyone to do. All right, boys, let's show the final project of each. So this is the Giphy Discord logo right here. Super basic, super not time consuming at all. It took 5 seconds. And this is our advanced project. This one took 5 minutes to do, maybe even less to do, and it looks really nice. I personally like this one more because it's more unique, more customizable, and it just looks really good. It makes you look really professional. If you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It really does support the channel. And if you stop liking the content after, you could just be sure to unsubscribe. If you do want to watch me on Twitch, I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We do a lot of things there. We have a lot of fun. We're usually playing games. And if you need any help with Discord or any logo making, any ideas, come in there, come say hi. I'm always in there chilling, having fun, and just vibing. Also, be sure to join my Discord. My Discord is a real cool place where we all throw ideas off each other, usually have fun, and it's just real cool to chill in there. So link to all of these will be linked down in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Before you guys go, which one was your favorite? The Giphy or the animated one? Down below. See you guys later.